There is one final secret that I want to talk about with regards to winning those big affiliate contests. You've probably never thought of it this way because the product does not belong to you, but you must treat it as though it does belong to you. The trouble with promoting other people's content is exactly that. That fact alone, somehow, kinda limits our enthusiasm. On the other hand, it's human nature to put your all into promoting your own stuff. When you work hard on a product, you treat it like it's your baby. Why wouldn't you? The real trick to winning affiliate contests is to treat every product you promote as if it is your own. You need to buy the product yourself or get a review copy if possible, so you can know that product inside and out. You need to understand what makes that product tick so you can write the best promotional material and so you can respond to questions from your list members. You must always put passion and excitement into promoting any affiliate product as you would your own. Every email needs to reflect that passion and excitement. But what if you don't feel passionate about the product? Easy. Don't promote it. You could ask, but what if it's paying huge commissions? What if it's selling like hotcakes? What if? Stop. If you don't feel passionate about the product, you absolutely should not be promoting it. If you don't get excited about a product, why would your list members? If you go study a product, which you should do for every product you promote, and you don't feel passionate about it, it's not the right product for you to promote. That's the be-all and end-all. When creating your promotional plan for a product, think about what you would do to promote the product if it was your own. You'd probably start with some pre-launch stuff like delivering hype through emails, blogging about it, holding webinars, etc., etc. At launch, you'd be right there by your email, watching for problems, answering questions, helping customers. After the launch, you'd send out reminder emails and follow up with additional blog posts, etc. Most people don't do this for launches that aren't their own. They don't put in the same time and effort. They might send out 1 or 2 emails. A few might even blog about the product or hold a webinar. But generally, people just don't put in the same effort for a product that isn't their own. And that's exactly what gives you the opportunity to sneak in under the radar and win those contests. You can make more effort than that and blow those competitors out of the water. Treat every launch you promote as if it were your own, and you'll likely see a dramatic increase in sales, and you might start winning those affiliate contests. If you practice what you have learned in this series, you will start to see an increase in your own affiliate income. Allow me to wish you the very best of luck always.